You had a great summer, the time that you did, and we want to award you the Defensive Player of the Summer Award for 2012. We'll get Kelsey, if you can stand over here so we'll take a couple photos after the back. Kept working, and her game has come a long way from last summer to this summer. And we just want to tell you thank you, and keep working on your game, and you never know what's going to happen. And most improved, 2012 women's most improved is Nicole Carmen, Pittsburgh, Johnstown. And the last award, we can go on and on about this young lady. I graduated from Ohio State. I got my undergrad at Ohio State. Played a lot with Katie, I forget her name. Played at Ohio State, played in the WNBA for 12 years, played on the Olympic team. Katie Smith. I played a lot with Katie Smith at Ohio State at the rec over at the Schottenstein Center. And when I say this girl, in a few years, if she really worked on the things she needs to work on, she can be that good. Like, she's that good. She's that good. She can really play with the men. She comes out, she plays hard. She's played hard for the last 2 years. And, you know, again, we could just keep going on and on. 30 points a game in this league. Her last 5 games at Cleveland State, she averaged 30 points a game. You know what I mean? Hopefully she gets drafted in the WNBA. To the 2012 Summer League MVP, Shalonda Witt. All right, I'm gonna give one of the men's awards out because I don't know if this gentleman has to go.
Turn around.
I interned over at St. Ignatius High School to complete my master's at Cleveland State. And I'll never forget the first practice I went to. He was over in the corner crying because Coach O'Toole was on his butt. And I went over to him and I told him, I said, man, you just gotta stick with it. You gotta stick with it. And he was skinny and he was pretty athletic then. And I never thought in my wildest dreams, this dude's shoulders would get so broad and he would be jumping so high. You know, it's amazing to see where he's come in the last couple years, man. Cornell University, he was freshman of the year in the Ivy League. Came down here and did his thing, man. Nothing else to say. Sean Miller. Sean Miller, Defensive Player of the Summer on the men's side. Now the rest of the men's awards, we're gonna pass out at halftime of the game. We'll put 5 minutes up here, and we'll let that 5 minutes run, and then we'll continue on with the championship game, all right?
It's right there. Battery's right there. And the camera's.
This gentleman is playing in both the Cleveland and the Akron division. He did not miss a game all summer. He missed 2 games because he was sick. He lives in Youngstown. He drives all the way from Youngstown to Cleveland, and he drives from Youngstown out to Walsh. You've been a huge asset to the league, man, and we appreciate you. Mr. Nick Brown, West Liberty University. Sean, come down for a second. We're gonna get a picture of everybody. All right, the last award is the 2012 JT Focus Management Cleveland AM Pro Summer League MVP. Pretty much put up 30 points a game, missed one game, got hit in the mouth, had to get a couple stitches, came down, continued to support his team. This league has been based around the Cleveland State players for the last 5 years, man. When you plant a seed in the backyard, you know, you expect it to grow, man. And this kid is probably the most productive kid from Cleveland State in this league outside of Norris Cole, man, that we've seen in the last few years. I'm gonna get little Charlie to come down. Charlie Lee, can you come down? This is right-hand man. Never mind. 2012 MVP, Marlon Mason. Sean, let me get you to come down. All right, you gonna start that clock?
To our president, run this league, and been doing a real good job. Lance Richardson, can I get a hand?
Y'all can sit around.